other car. Oh. Okay, so what are we getting, Mike?
This is a
350. Oh wait, sorry. Sorry.
I almost just got into a major car wreck. Anyways, we are getting a 2006 Honda Civic SI trim. This is going to be my second SI. We need to stop buying Honda Civic SIs.
Guys, Daddy loves a good K20. We stopped at Starbucks. I got a venti ice sugar cookie almond milk latte. I got almond milk and Daddy got oat milk. Yeah, we got. Hey, Sean, let's hear that pop. We got 2.5 hours. Something that I really don't like is Mike's strawberry tree.
My favorite part about this car is that we don't have to trailer it. I'm so tired of trailering things.
I don't want to trailer.
We'll catch you guys when my tire blows out. So the deal with this Honda Civic is that if I brought my own wheels, the guy would give me a deal at $1,800 for this Honda Civic SI. So I went over to my friend Ryan Bars, who I towed his Honda. These are from his 8th generation Civic SI. These are his summer tires. I'm putting them on the Civic SI. We are halfway there right now. This is our new 2006 Honda Civic SI, and she is super excited to drive this 3 hours home. This is in perfect mint condition. There's almost nothing wrong. Interior is in the best shape possible.
But will it play Kanye?
There was absolutely no oil in the engine when we got here, so we had to bring our own oil, but that's all right.
So you're not gonna hear how loud it is, but it's freaking loud. I'm hearing a really loud ticking, not like ticking, but more like ticking, slapping, I guess. Mike's kind of like, why the heck are you going so ungodly slow? Let me get some sound clip for you guys. Oh! Guys, clearly I can't drive because I forgot that I was a woman. I'm just gonna pop in 6 really quick so I can talk. It definitely has a tune. I'll have Mike kind of put the video in where I was revving it and it was just like it's flapping insane. The guy said there was a Honda at some point and then girl ran it over. I don't really know how that happened. Maybe it's like, oh, allow me to install this outside of my house. What way do I go? I think I go. Yeah, I definitely wasn't supposed to go this way. I really love SIs. I think honestly, if we end up selling this one, I'll probably buy another one. And I feel like my SI, I mean, I was non-stop in that car. I basically lived in that car, I felt like. I just like to hear the sounds that it's making. Not so much the cool sounds, more like the Flappy Bird sound. Half of my heart loved the Supra, a third of my heart loved the SI, and the other third loved Hose. Anyways, it's kind of far out here. Guys, Mike is pulled over behind me. I don't really know what's happening. Maybe he wants me to reverse back to him. Oh, the supercharger noise. Ready? Are we gonna race?
Probably would have had me too. This thing is kind of slow as balls. Mike Vlog, we are at Bibby Bop. We're going to
Toad, what did you call me?
Oh my god. This is our new 2006 Honda Civic SI, and I'm so excited to show you all the mods it has done to it. You stand like right here, and when I move this, can you smash the bumper back in? This tastefully modded, lower to the ground Honda Civic is super cool. It has plenty of mods like cold air intake from AutoZone, bumpers sagging lower than my pants, but the sunroof works.
Look, this is flappier than your mom's fingers after she cuts her bell peppers. Dude, look at this aerodynamic.
Hold on, let me get your door, honey.
Why? I'm your sister.
We originally wanted to buy the car together for $1,800 split in half. But once we realized the wheels wouldn't fit,
the guy was gonna sell the wheels for like 500 bucks, but what did he give it to him for, Mike?
He gave it to us for $200. Split in half.
So $1,000 a piece. This car is gonna cost each of us a warrant. So we'll also be splitting that cost in the next video.
Then we had to register the car, and that was like
$100.
We split that in half as well. So our total build price, I don't know, because we still have to get this car registered, inspected,
and we have to pay for the crushing fee at the scrapyard. Stay tuned for us turning this into the Boosted Brewster Bass Submarine.